Hey guys, today me Aish from class 12th is here with topic charge and its properties. Doing this topic, a number of questions stuck our mind like what is charge, how it is produced, from where the charge came, how charge is transferred and many more. Clearing these doubts is very important because these are going to be the basics of unit 1, that is electrostatics. Let's begin with the topic what is charge. A question arises that how it is produced. A charge is produced by rubbing two unlike objects. Let's take an example like amber and wood. Amber, when rubbed with wool, amber acquires an property of attracting objects like small bits of paper. Electricity produced on both the objects while rubbing is known as frictional electricity. Here it's the definition of frictional electricity. Electricity developed on the object when they are rubbed with each other. This electricity can also be known as statical electricity. Why? Because the charges are at rest. Also we can say it electrostatics only. What is electrostatics? It is the science which deals with charges at rest. So now what is charge? Here it is the definition of charge. It is an intrinsic property of matter. Now what is intrinsic property? Intrinsic property means independent property. Yes, charge is an independent property. Independent property means it is not dependent on any other quantity. Like for example, charge is not dependent on the speed, right? Now it is denoted by a symbol Q. Its SI unit is coulomb and CGS unit is stag coulomb. And don't forget that it is in scalar quantity. Types of charge. We are having basically two types of charge, positive and negative. Let us take here two rods, one ebonite rod and another glass rod. Here we'll charge both the bodies. Ebonite rod will be charged with fur and glass rod will be charged with silk. Now both the bodies are charged. When they are brought near to each other, what was observed that both the bodies had attracted each other. Why the bodies had attracted each other? This is only because of the opposite charge. Its next property is additive in nature. Yes, we know charges are additive in nature. Like let's consider here a body with charges Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Now can we find the net charge on the body? Yes, of course we can find net charge on the body like Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. This has proved that charges are additive in nature. Its next property is conservation of charge. What is conservation of charge? Conservation of charge states that a charge can neither be created nor be destroyed. It only can be transferred. This is all about what conservation of charge says. Next is the quantization of charge. Here we'll discuss about quantization of charge. It is one of the best and favorite topic of all. What is quantization of charge? Quantization means quantized, means available in fixed amount. Now about charge, we can say from charge that a question arises that which is the smallest charge that exists independently. The smallest charge which exists independently is charge on one electron, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. It is also known as fundamental charge because it exists independently and it is the charge which is the smallest of all the charges. The charge on one electron, that is 1.6 into 10 raised to power 19. Here we have one equation Q is equal to plus minus minus ne. This is what the quantization of charge states. Quantization of charge states that it is charge on electron, E is charge on electron, and N is integral multiple. We came to know that in quantization of charge, it states that charge is only transferred into the integral multiplication only, means not in the form of fraction, always in the form of whole number. Let's take a question. How many electrons are there in 1 coulomb charge? We have often said that 1 electron carries 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb of charge, but we have ever think that how many electrons are there in 1 coulomb charge? Let's calculate with the formula Q is equal to Ne. Here Q is given 1 coulomb and N is to find, and charge on electron is 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Let's apply the formula. It would be 1 upon 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. (0.625 into 10 raised to power 19 means number of electrons are 0.625 into 10 raised to power 19 in 1 coulomb. I hope all these basics are clear to you. Thank you.